Hello mga ka-lovely! Welcome back to my channel, ang Mambel Corner. Kamakailan lang naganap ang National Online Orientation ng DepEd Memorandum No. 17 Series 2025, also known as Interim Guidelines on the DepEd Performance Management and Evaluation System or PMES for teachers in the school year 2024-2025. And during the orientation, na-discuss po doon ang PMES cycle or the 4 phases of the Performance Management and Evaluation System for teachers. Tapos na po tayo sa Phase 1, Performance Planning and Commitment last week. That was the discussion of target objectives. And we are now on Phase 2, which is Performance Monitoring and Coaching. Dito po nagaganap ang coaching and mentoring at ang classroom observations ng mga teachers. Ngayon ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang classroom observation tool para sa teachers 1 to 3 or proficient teachers na may 8 indicators. Tanong ko lang po, nakapagpa-observe na ba ang lahat? Paano ba makakakuha ng 7 na rating sa bawat indicator na makikita sa COT rating sheet for proficient teachers? Sa videong ito, ating pag-uusapan ang Classroom Observation Indicator number 1 ng Performance Management and Evaluation System COT Rating Sheet for Teachers 1 to 3, ang Applied Knowledge of Content within and across curriculum teaching areas. Sa ating Classroom Observation Tool, mahalaga ang pagpapakita ng malalim na kaalaman sa ating subject area at kung paano natin ito na-integrate sa iba pang mga subject areas upang mas lumawak ang pangunawa ng ating mga mag-aaral. Alam nating mahalaga ang kaalaman sa ating subject areas, pero paano natin ito maiuugnay sa ibang larangan upang mas mapaunlad ang pagkatuto ng ating mga mag-aaral? Ngayong araw, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga mahalagang tips at mga halimbawa kung paano natin ito maisasagawa ng mahusay sa ating classroom observations. Tara, simulan na natin. The indicator number 1 or the applied knowledge of content within and across curriculum teaching areas emphasizes a teacher's ability to effectively use their knowledge of the subject matter in a way that connects various concepts within a subject and across different subjects. It focuses on ensuring that teachers are not just delivering isolated facts but are integrating knowledge in meaningful ways to enhance students' learning. So what does it mean by applied knowledge of content? This means that teachers must not only understand the subjects they teach but also be able to apply this knowledge in practical and engaging ways for students. As a math teacher, for example, you can integrate concepts both within math and across other subject areas to enhance student understanding and engagement. What about within curriculum teaching areas? This refers to deepening students' understanding within a single subject by linking concepts together. Like for example, your subject is math and you're teaching fractions. You can relate them to decimals and percentages. Show how 1/2 is equal to 0.5 and to 50%, making it easier for students to grasp real-world application like discounts in shopping. Another example for within curriculum teaching areas when teaching mathematics, geometry, and algebra. While discussing areas of shapes, introduce algebraic expressions like the formula in finding the area of rectangle, which is area equals length times width. This prepares students for equations in higher math. What about across curriculum teaching areas? This means integrating learning across different subject areas to make lessons more holistic and relevant. Like for instance, in teaching math, you can integrate science. When your lesson is about ratio and proportion, relate them to chemical equations like water composition. H2O has a ratio of 2:1. You can also integrate art in teaching math. Show how symmetry, proportions, and geometric patterns are used in drawing and painting. Why is indicator number 1 or applied knowledge of content within and across curriculum teaching areas important in the teaching-learning process. It is important because it helps students see the real-world relevance of what they learn. It encourages critical thinking by connecting ideas from different subject areas or other disciplines. And it also enhances retention and comprehension by linking knowledge to various contexts. Now, para makuha ang mataas na rating sa Classroom Observation Tool or COT, siguraduhin na una, gumamit ng interdisciplinary approach. Dito ipakita kung paano nauugnay ang lesson sa ibang subjects. Halimbawa, kung nagtuturo ng fractions, ipakita kung paano ito ginagamit sa cooking o music. Pangalawa, i-encourage ang mga bata na mag-isip critically. Okay? Magbigay ng tanong na magpapaisip sa kanila kung paano magagamit ang konsepto sa ibang larangan. Pangatlo, gamitin ang real-life examples at contextualized learning. Magpakita ng balita, proyekto, o real-world applications ng math. And then, gawing interactive ang lesson. Gumamit ng group activities, role-playing, o collaborative projects para mas engaging ang klase. At dito nagtatapos ang ating discussion tungkol sa indicator number 1 ng PMES COT para sa classroom observation. Sana makatulong ito sa inyong paghahanda para sa inyong lesson delivery. Tandaan, bilang mga guro, hindi lang natin trabaho ang ituro ang ating asignatura, kundi gawing mas makabuluhan at konektado ang pagkatuto ng ating mga estudyante sa tunay na buhay. At kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video na to, huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-subscribe at i-share sa inyong mga kapwa-guro. Hanggang sa susunod nating talakayan mga ka-lovely, keep inspiring and teaching with passion.